75 plate Range Rover D300 edition. So the edition's a model, and I've said it previously because we get these cars and they sell very quickly, where Land Rover put the right extras on, the right wheels, the sliding sunroof, shadow exterior, gloss black grand veneer. This one's finished in Carpathian grey, which is another optional extra for the paint, but it just looks lovely because you've got the 23-inch wheels, it's got the shadow exterior, it's got the privacy glass. Great car. Now, we've just been chatting about this. This is the best value 75 edition we've ever put up for sale, priced at £101,990. It's only covered 1,500 miles. Carpathian's a great colour. 23-inch wheels, part of that edition. They're in gloss black, split spoke, multi-spoke, which are lovely. Moving up the side, you've got the gloss black under the bottom of the doors. You've got your privacy glass. You've got your tilt and sliding sunroof. 300 brake horsepower diesel. Lots of spec as standard. So I've spoke about the options, but you've got things like adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, soft closed doors, four-wheel steering. Carpathian as a colour is very, very desirable. So you can see that car looks beautiful in that colour. The big rear diffuser all in gloss black with the privacy. Now, I'll just open the car up and just show you some size. So look at the size of the boot. Huge boot space, split folding tailgate. If you need to drop them seats down, you can. Just like that. And you can see, which I also think is right, ebony leather throughout, ebony roof lining throughout the cabin. And then I'll show you in the back. So this is what I'm talking about. So you've got full extended leather in ebony, gloss black grand veneer, rear electric seats, Meridian Sound. The seats in the back are heated as well. So you've got the Carpathian exterior, ebony roof lining, which I think is so important, then your black leather as well. Land Rover warranty for 3 years, just under 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover assist. You've got your soft closed doors, and then if I climb into the front, again, heated wheel, adaptive cruise, digital cockpit. It's the facelift model, so you've got the larger screen, tilt and slide and sunroof. You've got your wireless charging under here. Just lovely. I just think with having that gloss black with the black leather, it's what you want really. Your camera system is absolutely fantastic. So you've got your full 360 3D, and that one there, it means it's got park assist, Bluetooth, multimedia, Alexa, all the things you would want. Cabin lighting, so that's a big one. People love that. So you can adjust all the colours of the lighting of the interior and configure that how you wish. But it's a great car, priced right, practically brand new. Carpathian with the 23s, the shadow, the privacy, the sliding roof. It's going live on our platforms. My name and number's on the screen if you want to get it reserved. Thank you for watching.